Okay, YouTube, it's about 19 degrees out. It got down to -2 last night. And we're going to do a cold start on that Taurus over there. Sorry I haven't been making videos in a while. I've just been really busy. I'll update you guys more on that soon. But for right now, this is the Taurus. Has a 3-liter overhead valve engine. And we're going to do a cold start on it. First snow of the season. And it's too damn cold to set up the tripod and my other camera over there for an outside view, so you guys are just going to get an inside view this time. This thing's normally pretty good about starting up in the snow, but started right up. Give her a few rounds for you guys. Walk around it. Watch it chooch. It'll have to warm up for a minute before it chooches because everything in there is frozen. So all the condensation that was in the pipe. So we'll give it a few minutes and let it warm up. Good little car. Now I'll be starting my Dodge over there here in a minute. Do another cold start. That'll be in a separate video. But I'll make one of those for you guys too. First cold start of the season in that thing. Don't know how many cold start videos we're going to get this year. We're in a real bad drought here in Colorado. And I mean, it's not looking good for any of us. We only had one good rainstorm the whole summer. Maybe one day of sprinkling. And besides that, it is December 10th. This is the first snow we've had. Normally we have it by Halloween. So we didn't even get that much. Maybe a couple inches. So watch this thing, see if it's going to start chooching. There it goes. And you can see it on this camera, but it's barely starting to chooch. So I'm just going to hold the camera there until it starts chooching. Some of you guys like that. I ain't going to edit this video. I'm just going to slam it on up there so I don't want to have to do multiple clips. So we'll just do this. If some of you guys want to exit the video now, that's fine. If not, if you guys want to stick around for the chooching, here you go. There you go. It's starting to chooch now. Anyways, we're going to do a cold start on the old Cummins.